Azure announced Azure Copilot Agents and AI infrastructure innovations. So in this block, let us observe important points. So Azure Cloud Operations, Azure AI infrastructure, and building trust as well as modernization. And also let us see, so one more statement like, so Microsoft Azure modernize cloud infrastructure at global scale and built for reliability, security, and performance in AI. So let us see first step, Agentic Cloud Operation as well as Azure AI infrastructure. So here you can see that. Agents in Azure Copilot. So you can see that. Azure Copilot. So these are all different areas you can see. Different features. Preview features agents in that help you with deployment infrastructure and cloud deployment and cloud infrastructure and observability, optimization, finding right task as well as troubleshooting and support. So let us see individual tasks also, individual features also. First one, just see deployment capabilities in AI agents in Azure Copilot. And also supported resource types, sample prompts also you can see that. These are all sample prompts, you can see that. And similar way, observability capabilities in AI agents, right? Preview mode, Azure Copilot you can see, right? Sample prompts as well as some limitations also. Each feature they mention limitations as well. So here you can see limitations as well. Okay. And next one, resiliency capabilities in agents. So here also you can see limitations also. So final one is troubleshooting capabilities in agents as well as Azure Copilot AI agents. You can see that. Now, so here we observe the steps. And next one, let us see other scenarios they mentioned. So within the block, Agentic Cloud Operations. Right? So within that, they're introducing AI agents. Azure Copilot, they are introducing multiple agents, just now we discussed. And also the next one, Azure AI infrastructure. So they're building new data centers for AI. And also here they mentioned importance of Kubernetes in AI world. So here the statement is, we are doing the work to bridge the power of AI infrastructure into AKS by enabling cutting edge GPUs to function as AKS nodes. And also just see, apart from that, they would like to utilize advantage of Kubernetes as well. So by using AKS, automatic, all these things, you can observe that. And also just see other options like security, bastion host, network security parameters, as well as web application firewall. These are all things they are trying to utilize that for secure workloads. If you are trying to explore these agents, as of now, these are in preview mode. So directly we don't have access in our Azure portal. So you need to request these agents. So for that, fill out this form. Just try to fill out this form. And once you fill this form, so after reviewing this request, they will try to provide the access as well. So please go through the documentation. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe. Please see the description for documentation and full playlist. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe for more videos like this every week.